be gone. Which also sounds like what a superhero bird would say before they transformed into their superhero persona. What do you think a professional beekeeper dreams about? How many legs does a dog have? And how many arms? We got a summer of harvest that we gotta turn into a winter of food. All of it ain't gonna can itself, it's gotta be canned. You just don't walk up and smack somebody upside the head. Not a fly, not a mosquito, not a mosquito, but a bee. We're talking about the bee kind. Like a wasp is a bee kind, yellow jacket is a bee kind, a bald-faced liar, a bee kind rewind. Being kind is a type of thing that will make society better. For example, stop making fun of British cuisine and don't tailgate somebody.